Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you a neat idea by somebody who remixed the interactive art project. So when you click on the original version of the interactive art project, it has the painting American Gothic up, and you can click on it and it will do different stuff. Like the eyes, the tummy, click on the sky, etc. Okay, so that's the original project that I created, but I want to show you something that somebody else remixed. So this remix is by Toast Animations, and it's called They Are Watching. So when you click on the green flag, it makes it so that the eyes look like it's actually watching where your mouse goes. That's a pretty neat idea, right? All right, so let's take a look inside to see what's happening here. So when we click see inside, we can see that they've got the eyes so that they are cut out, and then they have this other sprite right here that has the face. And in the code, what they're doing is they're taking that face and putting it behind the cutout of the eyes. So it's going to the very back, and then it's making it so that it's moving with the mouse, with the X and the Y coordinate. So the X is left to right, and the Y is the up and down. So that's a pretty neat idea, right? So I'm going to include in the description a direct link to this project by Toast Animations. So make sure you check that out. Make sure you favorite it and heart it, which you can do, by going to the project page, and you can click on these buttons right here to let them know that you love this particular project. If you have a really neat idea that you'd like me to talk about in one of our videos each week, then please comment below a link to your project and the neat idea that is inside of that project. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful week. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.